How to send large video on WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a large video through WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, go and open the person that you want to send him the large video. So for me, I will just go with this person. So tap on this icon beside your camera. So instead of tapping on this gallery to go and choose the video, tap on this document. So tap on this browse document. So by tapping on this browse document, as you can see now, WhatsApp now allow you now to choose a video that is almost 2 GB and send it through WhatsApp, but by choosing it as document. So tap on this video section. So as you can see now, it gives you all the videos on your phone. All you have to do is go and select the video that you want to send. Let's say I want to send this video. As you can see, this video has almost 45 MB, or let's say I want to send this video with 52 megabyte. So as you can see here, there's a video with 52 megabytes. So tap on this send. So as you can see now, the video now starts sending. So as you can see, I don't have now enough internet, that's why I just disconnect it. So now the video has 52 MB. So now if the video finish sending, now the viewer will see the video like file. So if he just tap on the video as he downloaded the video, so the video will download it on his phone with its quality and the video is larger. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.